Okay, so Merry Christmas everyone. Today's Christmas Eve and I just got this in the post. This will be my Taobao order, so let's open it up. So I've got some very interesting, unusual puzzles in this box. A lot of them are just puzzles that you never see anywhere else. So let's see what we've got here. That's just packing material. So we have two snakes. These are unusual because the pieces are heart-shaped. We have some conjoined 2x2s, which aren't that unusual. A Danshang speed cube, believe it or not. A Bermudaminx in primary plastic. Bermudaminxes in primary plastic are unbelievably rare. And we've got some like a Chinese newspaper or something. Got some spare bits there. Screws, nuts, washers, springs for the snakes. And then lastly, we have something from VeryPuzzle, which is it's basically a jigsaw. Okay, so let's open up this Danshang speed cube first. So I think this is very new. I've not seen these anywhere else. You can see it says cctv.com there. I checked out cctv.com a few weeks ago. I think it's something like a Chinese news channel, so I'm not really sure why the web address for a Chinese news channel will be on this box. There it says something like Zhen Tian. You can also get this in stickless and white plastic. Note to 8 sad onion. Some instructions there. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much a GAN's either, was it 356, 357, I can't remember what the number is, but this is basically a clone of a GAN's 3x3, looks just like one, and the pieces look just like the pieces from a particular GAN's 3x3. Let's try and get one out. So there's the pieces. They are completely identical to that GAN's 3x3. The only difference that I've seen is that it has a normal core, whereas that GAN's 3x3, it's got like a very spindly core, and I think you've got like nuts as well on the arms of the core. So I've not seen these Danshang speed cubes anywhere else. So let's see what it turns like. Feels kind of feels like the plastic is really hard, quite clackety. It's not smooth. But yeah, that seems pretty good. Let's see the corner cutting. Really good corner cutting. Even there it will do it. So I'm not sure if this is just as good as that Gans 3x3. Let's see reverse. Not much reverse. Let's do a checkerboard pan. And yeah, let's just scramble this up. So there is a scrambled Danshang speed cube. So let's take a look at this this Bermudaminx. Comes in a Crazy Megaminx Plus box. And there it is, and it's not stickered. I was expecting it to be stickered, but that's okay. I actually quite enjoy stickering puzzles. So the seller on Taobao that sold this, he's got the full set for sale in primary plastic, but these are so expensive, much more expensive than the ones in black plastic, so that's why I didn't bother with going for the full set. Plus I'm not sure if I would enjoy these puzzles enough for it to be worth getting the full set. So in primary plastic these are just ultra rare. When you do Google image searches, I don't even think that many pictures come up of these. So let's see how this turns. You can see there's like kind of gaps there because some of the pieces are made up of 2 or more pieces. So let's see how this turns. It's kind of stiff, feels quite dry, but turns good enough. Let's see what other turns I can make. So I think this is one of the hardest, or the hardest, Bermuda Megaminx. I can't remember which planet it is, but there you can see it shapeshifts. So after showing the other things that I've got, I'll go away, sticker this, and I'll come back. Okay, so I figured out which planet it is. It's Mercury. Let's take a look at these stickers. So we've got 2 logos there, 2 Mercury logos. Got this very bright fluorescent green, blue, light blue, orange, bright pink, pastel yellow. I've always liked pastel yellow. Red, orange, purple, green, grey and white. So let's open this up. So these are some conjoined 2x2s. So these are basically keychain size 2x2s. I'm not that keen on the cartoony stickers on them, so I may just kind of buy some regular stickers to put on these. This feels quite oily. So as far as I know, this is the longest mass-produced set of conjoined 2x2s. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10 conjoined 2x2s. So I'm not sure what the proper name would be for a set of 10 conjoined cubes. Loads of pictures that you've got on them. You've got like a dolphin, pink dolphin. Got a weird green sea creature there. Crabs. What are these called now? Seahorses. Fish. Octopus. Yeah, they turn well enough. I think maybe these are East Sheen 2x2s. That kind of looks like it was breaking, then there's like a really big gap there, but I think it's okay. So yeah, let's scramble this up. I don't know, maybe the cartoony stickers will grow on there, because that's what happened with that Yushin 2x2 that I got. It had like these cartoony stickers on it, pictures of rats, and at first I thought it looked quite crap, and I just thought it'd be much better if it just had regular stickers on it, but then it ended up really growing on me. So I think this is going to take quite a while to scramble fully. So there you go, so that is some scrambled conjoined 2x2s, 10 keychain sized conjoined 2x2s. So let's have a look at this one. So this is from VeryPuzzle, and it's a jigsaw puzzle. Now the strange thing is that I've not seen these anywhere else. They're not on VeryPuzzle's website. They never made an announcement about them on the Twister puzzles for them. I've only seen one seller on Taobao selling these. Okay, I quite like the packaging for it. So this says Bubble Jigsaw, category toy / put together puzzle. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. I wonder if there's a way to open it without destroying this label. Maybe I can just slide out this part. Let's see. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to cut through it. It's not really a big deal. There it is. So this jigsaw, it's been made to look like a load of bubbles. That's interesting. Some of these are actually raised. I didn't know they didn't look raised in the picture, or at least I didn't notice them looking raised in the picture. can see we've got some sort of tape there. I guess you can take that off. Kind of want to hold it upside down. I don't want these pieces to fall out. Let's see. Let's put that on it, and I'll flip it over. Oh damn! Some pieces still fell out. I thought there was a label on the back. Can't believe that. I didn't actually want to take this apart just yet because it looks like it's going to be quite difficult, and I would like to actually just study it first before taking it all apart and then putting it back together again. But yeah, there's another one as well that the seller is selling. It's called dried platter, or is it arid plain, something like that. So there's one of the pieces. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to enjoy this that much or not. I think I probably will do. It does look very cool, I think. So yeah, when I go away and sticker the Bermudaminx, I'll have a go at trying to put these pieces back into place. So that is the VeryPuzzle bubble jigsaw puzzle. So let's take a look at these two snakes. So I've never ever seen these heart-shaped snakes before. I spotted them on Taobao. Not seen them anywhere else. So this is a 24-piece one, and this is a 36-piece one. So yeah, the pieces look as though they're smaller than the pieces on a regular sized snake. Got like an evil looking clown there. Danshang logo. Got like a king there. Jackie Chan's Fantasia. Not sure what that's all about. Some really small writing there as well. Yeah, I'm not going to try and pronounce all that. So to do all these other sizes like 48 and what else? Well, it's just showing. It's interesting. It seems to just be showing 24-piece ones and 48-piece ones. That's quite interesting because this is a 36-piece one, but there isn't a picture of a 36-piece one on this packaging. And I've not actually seen anyone selling a 48-piece one on Taobao. But let's open this up. There's the instructions. Let's see what sized heart-shaped snakes we've got. So 24, 24 again. So all 24. Oops. Yep. 36. Oh, we've got 96. I've never seen a 96-piece one before. 60, 96 again, 108. Yeah, because after spotting these on Taobao, I started to look to see if there was any other sizes on Taobao, and all I could find was just these 24-piece ones and 36-piece ones. But let's straighten this one out. think these look really cool. So there is a 24 piece one. I've got the Danshang logo on each end. Let's see how it compares in size to a regular sized regular 24 piece snake. So this one actually looks a bit longer. The pieces are about the same size. When looking at this, the pieces, the heart-shaped pieces, they looked as though they were smaller than the pieces, than like the regular pieces that make up a regular snake, but they're actually the same size. So I wonder if I can make this into a ball like you can do with a regular sized snake. Okay, so let's see if I can remember how to do this. I'm not sure if I can remember actually. It's been a long time since I've made a ball out of a snake. Yeah, I don't know if I've just forgotten or whether it's not possible to do that with a snake. I don't know. But there you go, that is a heart-shaped 24 piece Danshang snake. So let's take a look at this 36 piece one. Again, we've got that king there. It says Jade Dynasty Group 36. Jackie Chan's Fantasia again. So let's open this up. So there's the instructions. It says 108 there. Magic ruler of old brand. Not really sure what that means. Maybe the brand Danshang is a very old brand. I don't know. We've got junior level of magic ruler. Medium level of magic. So the junior level is 24 pieces. Medium level is 36. Senior level, these are 108. Welcome to Magic Ruler World. It's kind of hard to read because the writing is so small. As you can see, this is like in the shape of an animal or something. Maybe it's meant to be a dog, I don't know. Yeah, let's straighten this one out. Try and get it all on camera. So there you have it. There is a 36 piece Danshang heart-shaped snake. Here it is next to the 24 piece one. I'll just give you a close-up look at it. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll go away, sticker this, and I'll come back. I'll see if I can put this jigsaw back together. Yeah, the reason why I thought there was like a label on the back of this, which is why I turned it over, tried to turn it over without the pieces falling out, but they still fell out anyway. yeah, it was this label. It's actually on the cellophane, but when I saw it at first, it looked as though it was actually on the back of the puzzle, not on the cellophane. So yeah, item number 28, product name Bubble, VeryPuzzle. Okay, so I'm back, and the Dayan and MFA Bermudaminx is now stickered. Now, I ordered Mercury, and I did get the Mercury logo sticker with this, but it turns out that this is actually Neptune. I don't really mind too much, just as long as I've at least got one Bermudaminx which is in primary plastic. So I'm not really sure where this is in terms of difficulty in the Bermudaminx series. So let's attempt to scramble this. Probably not going to be that great at scrambling it because I'm totally new to this puzzle. Keep going out of shot. This cap is coming off. So I think I'll leave it there for now. I don't think it's that fully scrambled because you've still got like pieces that belong next to each other. I've still not split them up yet. But yeah, I'll leave it there. So that is a scrambled Dayan and MF8 Bermuda Megaminx Neptune. Okay, so the VeryPuzzle bubble jigsaw. I've managed to put the pieces back into place. It wasn't that difficult, to be honest. There was only a few pieces that were out of place, but I'm thinking if I was to take all of these pieces out of the puzzle, then it would be very difficult to try and get them all back together again. Now, some or all of these pieces have actually got numbers underneath them. Let's see if I can get one out. So this one has got looks like 62 underneath it. I'm not sure why they're all numbered. I don't really think it would help with solving the puzzle. I don't think. The set of conjoined 2x2s, I actually found this really difficult. I managed to get one 2x2 solved, but then trying to do the next one I found it really difficult. I didn't think it was going to be that difficult, but yeah. And yeah, lastly the snakes. I made these two interesting shapes with them. I came up with them myself. So this one is a Christmas candy cane. And this is just some random shape that I came up with. So yeah, these heart-shaped snakes they are different, like in how they move, they are different from regular snakes. So for example, on this snake, I can do this, but I can't do that on the heart-shaped snakes. So the movement that you can do on them is restricted. So I'm going to try and do this on this heart-shaped one, and now it won't turn this way to make it like this. So let's see. I'll show you how the size of this compares to a well, how one of the 2x2s on this compares to a regular size 2x2. So as you can see, they're quite small. And this is how the size of the Bermudaminx compares to a regular sized Megaminx. So you can see it is a bit bigger. But yeah, I guess that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.